you are still stuck between receiving and sending payments via cryptocurrency, worry less, because this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually trade your cryptocurrency to whichever currency you are spending, be it Naira, dollar, CDs, and what have you. Okay. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, on this channel we talk about money, we talk about how to make money online, we talk about how to get remote jobs, we talk about how you can actually get access to some of the premium features of your amazing applications. Okay, so in this video I want to walk you through the process of how you can actually trade your cryptocurrency to your currency. But for the purpose of this video, in this particular video, I'll be talking about how you can actually trade your cryptocurrency to Naira via the P2P method. There are so many ways you can actually trade that, but this particular video will be teaching you on how you can actually trade it via P2P, that is peer-to-peer or person-to-person method, using your Bybit or your Binance. But this video, I'll be showing you how it works on Bybit. So you want to stick around to the end of this video to see how that goes. I'll be showing you step-by-step process of how you can achieve that in less than minutes. Okay, so you want to stick with me to the end of this video so that I can show you how you can actually do that. All right, so in today's video I want to sell 5 USDT. Right, I want to sell 5 USDT. So what I want to do, I want to sell via P2P. If you don't have a Bybit account and you don't know how to open it, I made a video earlier. You can check my channel and search for the video on how to open a Bybit account and register and do your verification. Okay, so today, so you want to click on that P2P as you can see in the video. So you want to acknowledge this and go ahead and click on sell. So we want to check for the best price in the market. You can see this crypto market, we have the prices varies, you know, every seller with their own prices. So we want to check for the prices of this USDT, like the current price, and see the one that is suitable for us. All right, so I clicked on the first ad and this is what it is showing me. And mind you, there are a lot of people that, like, there are a lot of ads that you actually see, like this one, 1,845 Naira is selling for that price, but you must have at least 10 million Naira, like you must have a USDT worth of 10 million Naira in order to trade for that price. So we are trading just 5 USDT. All right, so I want to check for the best price. You know, this price does not really sit well with me. It's saying 1,843 and I cannot trade it. I want to trade it for at least 1,600 Naira plus, considering the price in the market, right? So let me just go here and search. At least 5 USDT should give me about 8,000 Naira plus. So I'm searching 8,000 Naira. So it has given me all the ads that I can actually sell for 8,000 Naira. So let's check this particular ad. Let's see the one that at least can give me a fair price for the moment. Okay, so let's check for this particular one. As you can see, some of them, they are like giving you they are selling at higher rates, but you have to have at least, like, there's a limit you must have for you to be eligible. Okay, so eventually going for this 1,658. I can't trade because, like, the limit is, it has exceeded what I want to trade. So let's settle for this particular one that says that is selling for 1,658 Naira. Okay, let's see if this is going to, if we're going to be eligible for this particular card, like if we'll be able to trade in this particular one. So let's see 1,658.11. all right, okay, I think this one sits well with what we have. I have 5 USDT and they're selling. So because I want to sell 5 USDT, I'll just click on all, and as you can see, the moment it shows this yellow sign popping out, like this sell button, and it's popping out, that means you are eligible to sell and the buyer is also ready to buy. So you want to check the buyer's portfolio, you click on that particular ad and you see that okay, this is you want to check if it has a maybe higher rate he wants to sell. Okay, so this person, I think the highest rate is selling is 1,658 naira. So you want to check if he doesn't, like, you want to check his reviews, you want to see if he doesn't have any issues and all of that. Okay, so we are confirming that we are actually going with this particular buyer. All right, so you want to go ahead and click on sell, and you want to click on your payment method. I want to receive my payment via OP, so I'm going to be clicking on the particular payment I want to receive my money. All right, so you're going to go ahead and click on sell, and as you can see, to take you to this page, you see this 29 minutes 51 seconds, like that's the amount of time the buyer is going to use to transfer your money, right? As you can see, if you check where this down button, it is saying release now. You see that yellow has not popped out, like the yellow is still very, very blurry. So the moment the buyer sends your money and the money has dropped into your account, you see that yellow, that release now, it will pop out, like the yellow will come out. You're going to see what I'm talking about. The yellow will come out very well, and you're going to receive your alert immediately. Note, if you do not receive alert, please don't release. Do not on any occasion release. Some of these crypto traders will tell you that they've sent money, that you should release crypto to them. Please and please do not release to them until you are sure and until you've confirmed your payments, until you confirm that you have received your payments before you release to the buyer, right? And we have option of, like, if you want to send a message to the buyer, you can just click on that button that says contact buyer. So you're going to send a message. So this person has already sent my money, and let's confirm. If you see that this one, you see this yellow button now, it has popped out and it is more yellowish. All right, so let's confirm if I have actually received my payment. As you can see, the alert has come in and I have already received my payment. So most of them, they don't send in kobo, you just send 8,290 naira. Most of them will not send that 55 kobo, which is very okay. So you just go ahead and click on I have received the payment. I confirm that so person has already sent the money. So you just tick in the boxes, and this is what we have. So you just go ahead and release, acknowledge, blah blah blah. So I have a method I use to verify, which is the Google Authenticator method. So I want to go ahead and check in my Google Authenticator so that I can get the code that I will use to verify that I want to actually trade on Binance. So I'm going to make another video on how you can actually set your Google Authenticator to give you that code. All right, so I have actually released my hand. You can see that you have successfully traded 5 USDT to the buyer, blah 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 blah, yada yada yada. All right, so this is what we have. I've successfully traded 5 USDT, and I now have about 8,000. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share and comment. Don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend, and above all, don't forget to click on the notification bell icon so that whenever I upload another video like this, you will be the first person to get the memo. All right, till I see you again in my next video. Bye guys.